help with the door there?
Yes, I do.
Oh, okay. No, you can say whatever you want.
Hi, I'm Herschel Walker. Hold on, man. You see I'm doing a motherfucking interview?
So the first thing I see wrong with your setup here is your throttle bracket here is hitting your solenoid. That should not happen. When we go and redo this, we'll space this out.
That's kind of like how they do the idle right there. You just set the idle with the solenoid.
Yeah, set the idle with the solenoid.
Yep, and so you want more higher idle, you just push that solenoid in more. You beat turbo cars on the reg?
Yeah. I went through a whole field of them in no comment.
All right, boys. It's a new special feature, cruise control. I don't know if anybody else got these carburetors. Cruise control carburetors. It's a big deal. Coming out 2023. Trying to tune out the squeak. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, you just had it set to about 65 a second ago.
Okay, hold on.
All right. Oh, there it is. 65 mile an hour. You just.
Hey, that's so it'll hold it there for your burnout.
Oh yeah, that's how you keep it off the dinger and the burnout.
Yeah.
Got you. We're gonna have the squeaky problem when we get them back from Biggs.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Very nice. Oh yeah, there we go.
Looks good.
I've never seen race cars before.
What you say? Don't know me, son.
That's a fuel cell. That cup, when you buy a Foxbody, they hand you a 3-gallon fuel cell.
I managed to make it all the way to Summit from Wichita Falls, 2 hours. Managed to get us a battery box, that way we can start working on Cristina this weekend. I already got my hands full and the project hasn't even started.
Right, so we're moving cotton right now. Cristina has been running for a minute. He's pulling me with the tractor back there. He's flicker his shit out my team. He's a beggar slider.
So we start by pulling the factory harness off this thing and inspecting what it's going to take to pull it apart. Then realize this thing is crusty. Look at this thing. What are those? Yeah, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Wait until you see where they mounted the ECU. Wait till you see that. But Morgan's been working hard at it. About to vacuum the valley cover out. Hey, if you guessed the bumper, you guessed right, folks. Yep, they put the ECU in the bumper. What are you doing, man? Not even mounted, just dangles. It's a good spot for it. You know, it's got ground clearance, so you could drive like that. It's good. If it's good enough for Jimmy, it's good enough for you. Hey buddy, can't be there. Folks, up to that point in every job where you don't know what the fuck's going on, not sure if you're going to be able to get it done. This is a great idea. What the hell they got going on here? I found out what they had going on there. Ended my night real soon. Look at this. Makeshift split cast bandage. 1993 ruby red interior for a Foxbody Mustang. I saw one seat for $710 on eBay. I'll take $100 for the whole complete set, turnkey. Hey, this isn't good enough for Jimmy, but if you decide this is good enough for you, I'll sell you the whole thing for a $100 bill. And then we'll go spend the $100 bill on one of these projects together. So, $100 bill, everybody. We're going to go spend it together. Who's going to buy this? It's not good enough for Jimmy, but it may be good enough for you, all right? Y'all just let me know. My buddy Joseph Thomas over at Garage Built Racing was able to give me a Terminator X MAXX within like 2 days. It's fucking awesome. They're also sponsoring my race coming up, Small Tire Gangsters. We'll talk more about that soon. All right, now, folks, mounting your ECU in the bumper is not good enough for Jimmy, but you know what is? Mounting your ECU underneath your passenger seat. That's exactly what we did. Put one self-tapper into the carpet. It's good enough for Jimmy. It's good enough for you.